Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload and publish videos in YouTube Studio. Click the Upload Videos button at the top right to open the Upload dialog. Click Select Files, choose the video file you want to upload from your computer, then the File Explorer closes, and YouTube begins processing your selection. The Details step opens, where you'll see fields for your video's title, description, and thumbnail. Fill in what you need and click Next when you're ready. The Video Elements step appears, where you can add end screens and cards to your video. Click Next to continue. The Visibility step opens, showing your privacy options for the video. Select Public to make the video visible to everyone, then click Publish. A confirmation dialog appears, showing your video is now published and live on YouTube. Click Close to return to your content library. If you want to schedule your video for later instead of publishing immediately, select Scheduled under the visibility options and pick your date and time. Your video processes in the background after you click Publish, so higher resolutions like 4K might take a few minutes to become available even though the video is already live. You can edit any of these details after publishing by going to your content library, finding the video and clicking the pencil icon to open the editor. And that's how to upload and publish videos in YouTube Studio. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.